Okay, hello to the live stream. Welcome back, I guess. Let me first quickly check if everything is alright and if the music isn't too loud, so give me just a second.
Out in Beverly, fucked up, smelling like that bourbon. And I end up alone, I'm not certain. Yeah, the girls ain't polite in the club every night. That's how it goes when you Hollywood perfect.
Okay, so let's see. Is my voice too loud or not? Let's wait for the stream to catch up. No, it's not too loud. Okay, good. Good. Then I can connect my audio again. Okay, so what did I plan today? I planned to expand the custom command replacements. The custom command replacement. Like on my server, if I do custom command, it shows this here. And I also wanted to, before that you could use cc page 2 to go to page 2, but a lot of people forget to put the page thing there. So, nah. Let's not do it with page. Let's do it with the name. So the alias will be cc and then the ID. So for example, this here will be the same as this here. Then what else I planned to add was I wanted to add a toggle so people can see this, but can't execute the cc, the name, and then the thing. So they can only view all custom commands, but cannot view the code, like I have it on my server, or can't view anything without permission. So the public version right now is so you can either view it, I don't even have it here. So you can either view all of it plus the code, or you can view none of it. But I want to change that today. Then also I want to add some blacklist methods, so you could add a blacklist of custom commands that you didn't want to show, like for example a group, blacklisting an entire group so people can't see any custom commands from the command group user commands or something like that, and it just won't get displayed for them. And yeah, and also I released a poll command, and with that poll command you can, let's do an example, poll hi, yes, no, maybe. It takes the top row color, and then you can, this is just a normal poll command, and then you can also make it a single poll, so people can only react to one single reaction at the time. So if I do poll, let's say hi, yes, no, maybe, and then let's add single. Now people can only click one reaction, and if they click multiple, it will remove the old reaction. Of course, if people spam this too much, it won't work, but I also add that in the as a disclaimer into the code. Speaking of breaking it, I think I just broke it. Okay, well, let's just hope it won't break for other people. Okay, so I have this announcement ready, but I will only publish it later when I publish the other announcement, because I don't want to ping twice. So I will do one with ping and one without ping. Then I also have something else that I wanted to do today. So on the YAGPDB server with the snippet system, if you react to a snippet with a gear emoji, it will give you the raw output of that. And as example here, let me quickly switch to Visual Studio Code. Hold on. Visual Studio Code. Here you go. So here is the poll command I wanted to announce soon, and this is here. So you can see the attachment here, and it's just how you would do a simple snippet. But here's a problem. If I now save it as this, the backslashes break. So if we jump back to Discord, if we scroll up here in testing, hold on, we have to scroll up a bit, you will see it will look like this. So I will have to add some more backslashes into the code that gets the raw snippet, that it will convert this to this by just adding one backslash for every other backslash. So I will double backslash it, basically. Okay, so let's first start with the snippets. For that I will just switch to full screen view because, well, it's just easier. And a custom command replace with IMN snippets. And there we have the pagination. Here. Okay, so if we look for the gear emoji, that's here. And then I wanted to add a replace in here for the description. Replace backtext is x60, and no, I just want to do the thing. I'm stupid. So I'm looking for a backslash, and I wanted to replace that with 2 backslashes. And now let's see if that fixes it. I first have to go into the actual snippet command that I use on the YAGPDB server. The actual pagination, because there's a lot of stuff to it. It's not just my code in there, so see there's also other stuff here that isn't mine, but this stuff here is mine. So let's copy this and paste it in, and open the YAGPDB dashboard. Go to the reaction stuff, and this is it here. Now let's see if it worked. If we now do emoji and add a gear to it, let's see if it fixed itself. Okay, so this should work now. If I just paste this in and then run the command. See, it works fine. So the backslashing worked. That means I could save both of them here now. And now also open GitHub desktop and commit it to my master branch. Added fixed a bug with backslashes. That, yeah, I guess that's it. Commit. Okay, so that's the first thing I wanted to do. The second thing is... let's close this because we don't need it anymore. The custom command replacement thing here. Okay, so to be honest, I didn't really think how I would do it, and I just came up with the blacklisting whole groups too, and I don't know which settings I could do. So let's just first open a blank page and then just write down what could be possible. So we should be able to. So the blacklist should work for. So we have the permissions thing, and if the permissions are the default, how it is on the master branch right now, it should allow. It should only blacklist it should only blacklist when you do this, and it shouldn't hide the. Wait, let me think. Yeah, okay. So the default thing blocks the whole. Blocks using the command, like, so people can't even see this page when they don't have permissions. And so it should also blacklist won't show okay, let's just do it differently first. I will just do it like I have on my server first, so everyone can use the cc command and can see all commands but can't see the code. Okay, so can list but not code. There you can then blacklist / hide the IDs from lists / groups from lists, and the other thing should I don't know, to be honest, like... Do you guys have any idea how I could do this with the blacklisting stuff? So, so right now this is here if a user uses, let's say we blacklist the custom command 11, if a user uses this, he can't see the code, but he also can't see the custom command 11 here in the list. So he also can't execute it. Can't execute even with permissions. So let's also just block that, so he can't execute it even if he does have permissions. And it will just tell him to go to the dashboard to see the command. Then tell where to unblacklist maybe. Yeah, let's just implement that first. It's difficult because I have a... Yeah, let's just implement that first. Okay. Custom command. This is my version here. It's just a little bit different. If we quickly compare it, you will just see the permission thing is different. So if we open the normal replacement command here, and then compare those two. You'll see the only thing different here is the permissions. So this here is the normal one that blocks the usage for everything. It will just output an error and say you did have permissions, bitch. And this here just blocks the outputting the code. Yeah, okay. Now I just have to put those two together and add a thing so you could toggle between those two, because people also like my version where people could see all custom commands but couldn't see the code without the given permission up here. In this case, manage server. Yeah, okay, so let's... this will be difficult. Let's add a section here and call it let's just call it var1. At first, I will rename it later, and I will set it to true, and then I will add a description saying if set to true, it will block the usage. It block anyone from seeing the custom command list. If set to false, people can see the list but cannot see the code. Let's call this perm toggle. Yeah, perm toggles. Okay. And then we also, let's just check the chat. Okay, no one got anything. How should we call this variable? Block ID. And then here there will be the block IDs. And then I will also write a description here for it. Example. This will hide some custom commands. Hide a custom command with the hide custom commands from the list. Block groups. And then I will also add an example. Example blocked ID is 110.7. Oh, just 1 and 7. And here I will write the names, admin and secret. What's the high custom command from the list? Yeah, okay. This is alright. Then let's just ignore the permission toggle shenanigans at first, because no one needs those anyways for the time being. I remembered that someone else showed me a smaller version of this code here yesterday on the YAGPDB server. I might look it up later and replace that on my GitHub repo after asking the person if I can use that code snippet. Yeah. What did I want to add? I wanted to add the blacklist. Where is the blacklist thing? So the crap, I don't know where the heck I am. If trigger doesn't exist, if yeah. I guess that's this part of the code that fix. Yeah, okay, that is that part. That is that part. Then let's add this here. If and wait, if equal, let's just do it if equals first. If equals, it's if in, goddammit. If in, I forgot how to use if in. I think it's in, then the slice, and then the string name. It's in slice and then the string name. Okay, yeah, good. If in the slice, that is locked ID. Locked ID. Lock IDs with an S. IDs. And then we have what? Wait, how the do we get? Oh, it's okay. And that will look if it's not in here, right? Let's replace it and see. Maybe also okay. This is saved now. Now let's disable the custom command here. Disable, go back. And we need the direction part because I didn't do that one yet. Oh yeah, I also need to add it into the reaction part. Block IDs. Also need to transfer there. That's gonna be an issue. But okay. Does it show that I'm streaming? No, of course not. No, it might show that I'm streaming or not. Lol. I also have to keep an eye on the time because I only wanted to stream 1 hour today because I have something else to do. Okay, right, so let's do this. And let's say we want to block this here. Shush phone. Now it should block this from being shown. Or not?
I'm just calling to say
It was in here, was it? Yeah, it was here, okay. Oh god, crap, I forgot that it spams. Well. They should have added that. Whoopsie, that's gonna spam a while now. Okay, there we go. Did it block the command though? No, it didn't. Why? Why didn't it block it? int is for int, right? Because if that is for int, I have to int this. Okay, it blocked it, so now it doesn't show anymore. And if I go one page further and then one page back, it should show again. Okay, great. This works.
I'm just calling to say
Now we need... How are we gonna do this? Now we need to block, add support for groups, and let's block the group Drafters database shit first. So now this group is blacklisted, and it should no longer show when we add this here. So if not, in... Yeah, I will do it fold because YOLO. I want to have it case... Wait, it's in fold anyways, right? Because in fold is string. No, in fold is case sensitive. God damn it. Okay. Yeah, let's just do it case insensitive because, like, yeah. Yeah. No one needed case sensitive anyways. Now the group. We need the group. The group will be 4. If blocked groups, okay, now it should block the groups. Like the entire database shit shouldn't be displayed at all. Yeah, it only displays 2 pages now, and if I jump it should, yeah, show 3 pages. Then, yeah, okay. Okay, that works too. Great. Why am I getting emails now? Shut up. Let's just go into do not disturb mode on my phone. This is annoying me. Do not disturb for an hour. Okay. So that's the easiest part here. Now we also need to add that to the search part. Because... and the group part. Because the group part... Hold on, what happens if I have the same command name again? Okay, I also need to add it to this list here. This only shows up if you have the same command name. I made that so it just says that there are 2 of the same kind. Yeah. I also need to do something against that. That means this entire stuff here also has to go to What's this here? What is this triggering? Okay, so this is... I'm tired. Is this the same regex as above? Yes, it is. Good. That means I have to change nothing here. Let's see if I implemented it. And of course... Does it still exist? Yeah, it does, okay. Oh crap, what happened there? Expected string got something else. Like 130! What did you expect? And what did you get? It's character... $95. Here? What? Doesn't this output the name of the group? Yeah, I thought it would just be... the name here. Why is it freaking... why? Let's JSON it and see what's inside. Because I'm kinda confused how the heck that got something else. It's 96, but 96, why is that? Huh? Do we need to string that puppy, or... I'll just string that puppy and hope that it fixes itself that way. And if not, then I have no idea. Okay, now we just blacklist. Let's blacklist ungrouped. It didn't work. Crap. It still showed. Why? Okay, wait, hold on. Now it doesn't output anything. Didn't it say it's... Wait, what? Why does it say this? Index 4? Shouldn't that just be... like 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, it's a group. Let's output M. I want to see why that is a thing. How the heck does it get to 96? Where does it get the 96 from? I see nothing that remotely has to do with 96 here. Let's check again. The group... Oh, it's M, not dot, for fuck's sake. It's M. Okay, this now makes sense. Crap. I used dot and not M. Because I didn't use with. I'm smart. No, I should just block it or just crash. Index out of range. No, you. Why indexed out of range? 4. Why? That's why. And here's the same. Now it works. After me finally realizing it. Hey, Lord Melon. Yeah, now it works. After I was being stupid again. It says 19 out of 100. What the heck? Oh yeah, 19, because then it custom comments. Right. Right? Yeah, right. And I should adjust that number too, because like honestly I don't feel like adjusting that number. I mean like it... Yeah, let's not adjust it. Now if we unblock and grouped again, it should show it. Okay, it's unblocked again. What else do we have? We have type. We have to also block it there. Let's copy this and look for type. Okay, never mind. It's like this, I guess. Output. If we look by type, hold on. It's group page type. Type. Okay. Wait, does it already work by type? Wait, did I block this? Yes, I did. Didn't I update this? CC type command. Okay, it already blocks it. Good, good. Who messaged me here? When I post a message after the embed, it does repeat it. First, my direct message is not the help channel or the custom command help channel. I will sometimes help people in direct message, but like that rarely happens, and it shouldn't happen because I'm just getting spammed all day if people message me in direct messages. Like I already have 15 friend requests now just from the YAGPDB server. Now I forgot what I wanted to do. I wanted to... Come on, brain fart. Brain, wake up. Okay, so I think I added everything now. The name/ID stuff will of course show the custom command here when I do this, but yeah, it just won't show it in the list. And then we need the permission toggle. The permission toggle will be this here. I mean, excuse me, this here. But let's first get this to work with the... Where is it? It's thumbnail, right? Yeah, it's thumbnail. Because... No, wait, what? Yeah, it's here, okay. Here's the output. And here it adds everything to the list. Because everything that is input here also gets added here, as you can see. It says which permissions the user needs to see the message, and it also tells what the max pages are and what the current page is, and it also tells if we have a group selected, and if we have a type selected, it says type, and if we have command selected, so it says command. Yeah, that's how it goes. Like, that's where it tests the permissions and shit. It's from this here. So I don't need to spam it all in a field or as text, so yeah. Now we need to make an example again and see how we can URLify it. because we have a C slice up here, and I also wanted to pass that. I'm thinking about the permission thing. Like, people could just scroll up and click on a little thing and see it, I guess. Yeah, YOLO, it's just how yeah. No one will notice. Let's copy this, and then try to... So I think we could use join string. And then we need something as a spacer. What should we pick for that? I have an idea. Maybe we should do... two 0 white spaces. Okay, that's kinda long. Crap. We need some kind of spacer. Oh, by the way, you could hear this sound here when my macro triggers because, well, my keyboard is broken and yeah, I had to set up a macro because if I press this here, this is the enter button, but this is also the button that does this here. So I am guessing that this here should be okay. And I could consider this here as spacing. Yeah, that will work. And now let's do locked IDs. Let's see how it turns out. Oh, also I'm testing something else in the background with the poll command, because the poll command, when I have it on single mode, it can only do that many, like it can only test for that many users if the poll is okay. Like, yeah, let me check here how big it is. No, it's not this one. Where did I do this? I think it was here, now I have to scroll up. Oh, crap. Yeah, it was here. Let's check how big this is, because I wanted to test how many people can react to a poll when it is on single mode, because there will be a limit to that. And I'm just auto setting stuff into the database here to like test out, and at the end so I can count how many people can react here. And right now I'm adding about 1,000 users to it. And yeah, I want to see how many users it can hold it before it breaks. Let's just pin this so I can remember myself. Yes, I wanted to do this here. Already pasted, good. Why won't it say anything? It did run, did it? Why won't it work? Wasn't there a method to just join string a slice to... Ah crap, apparently not. So I have to do the range shit here. I'm trying to do this so it won't just add this here, like, so it won't just do this here as custom command ID, so it won't do this here, so it will I don't know, okay? Just, yeah. I don't care, let's just do it without first. Why am I making this complicated? So first we add grab, then we add this here, and then we add that there. Then end this and then output it at the end. And let's see how it looks. So it looks like this now. And if I... I'm wondering, like, the URL escape, right? I'm not... URL escaping it, right? No, I'm not URL escaping it. does that mean if I have a strange name like this, that it won't work? Because if I do this now here, it does. You what the f. So if I do equal, does it equal this? How long are we streaming for? How long have we been streaming for? Oh, okay, already an hour. Yeah, I need to stop soon. I will probably not publish both codes today. Yeah, like the poll is already published, but I won't do the announcement message yet. I will do it tomorrow. Because I just didn't have enough time for today. Yeah. Let me finish a few things first and then save and add comments to it and then go offline. Okay, so I wanted to if equals if this equals I wanted to check. What? What do you mean? I saved that as test and I'm not outputting it. Hold on, what the frick is happening here? Is YAGPDB having issues? Okay, now it works. It just took a while, I guess. Do we have people complaining about that in other support? No, we don't. Good. Oh, I know how I did it. You'll escape the other part. Did I? I didn't? Hold on. I just did this. I just replaced it by space, but I... Okay, that's something new that I have to consider. Like... That's my first to do. My second to do will be add the permission toggle direction part, update direction part to work with the new changes, and I will add this here. What I can do is do this here. This is what I wanted to add. So if I URL escape this here, it should say equal now. Yeah, equal. Okay, good. Now let's add the split mechanism and then let's go offline. So the split mechanism will be splits and it will look for this here. How the f does split work here? String separator. Okay, it's for string. The string that I wanted to split. Let's... So grab is a string I want to split. Grab. And then I wanted to split with this here. And then I will JSON it to see how it looks. Good. Let's smack that on test. One. What? Okay, 1, 2. It's 2. Okay. So there's a problem here. If we... Yeah, that's it. If equals C len logged IDs. So here I will check if it is the last one, I guess. And so it should now only output 1. No, it still outputs 2. Why? Oh, because I'm stupid. Here, now it should work. Now it should only output 1. Yeah, now it only output 1. Let's change it up a little and say that we have multiple IDs that we want to block. Yeah, now it sees multiple IDs. Maybe not with this. Okay, works. Now it sees which IDs are blocked. And it can read it out again. Let me add this to the top here of the to-do. We'll output the output a slice of. Don't forget to always set equal to Okay, good. That's it for today. This can get deleted. This here is the announcement that I will post tomorrow when I finish this. Also, I won't be streaming tomorrow because... well, I have no freaking idea if I will be streaming tomorrow. This is my version. This is the public version that I edited, but didn't publish yet. This is the reaction part that I didn't even touch yet. Close this bit. And now those are just those shits. Okay, good. Okay, that's it. That's it for today. So let's see, just remove the equal. Yeah, I will. I will URL escape stuff. I planned on doing that. I also wrote that in the command part here. So I will check if the URL match, if the output from this here, from the split, matches the output of the URL escape version of the group. Here, I will URL escape this one too. But yeah, tomorrow, not today. ABC3. Okay. I guess that's it for today, so bye bye boys, girls and attack helicopters, and I have no idea.